Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Citroen Picasso here, Xsara you can call it as well. Doing a bulb on this sidelight bulb. As you see, that one's working, this one isn't, and they're quite easy to do. It's the brown plug that you want to sort of take out. What you do, twist it to your left and then pull the bulb out. You see now here, if I twist it and then I gently pull it, but it's not doing it that way, so I'm going to have to try it the other way. Nope. That's it. It's all out. So that's the bulb we need to replace. I'm just going to quickly do this for you. It's a 501 bulb, which is this one here. 501. I meant to switch the lights off, but I haven't. I should have done that. That's it. All you got to do now, if you look in here, you can always slot it through while looking at it on the outside, and that's it. That's all you got to do, and then turn it. That's all you got to do on yours. Any more information, do let us know and see if we can help you out. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.